Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to hide about information in WhatsApp. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp and here you have to click on top right three dots. Open WhatsApp and here you have to click on top right three dots. After that, here you have to click on settings button. Here you can see you have to click on this setting icon. After that, here you have to scroll down and here you have to click on this. Now here you have to click on this privacy button. Now here you can see options about. Click on this. Now here you can see option. Now here you will see an option about. Click on this. Now here you can see anyone can see my about. To hide your about, click on this nobody. In this way you can hide about your about information from anyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.